Hello everyone, hope you are good. So in this video I will tell you how you can create quotation for your client. No matter your client is bigger or lower, so you can create quotation for his very professionally, very easily. So first we need to need laptop. So now you no need to need laptop. You can create quotation within few seconds. Literally within few seconds you can create professional quotation for your client. So let's begin and jump into the application. So first go to Play Store and search quotation maker, and here is the application. Download it and then open. So I already downloaded and I will open it. So here is the interface of this application. So I already create an account. So you can create an account easily, like creating Facebook account, WhatsApp account, or any social media account with few 1 to 2 clicks. So first I will go to the settings, top right corner. So here is the business info we need. So I did add testing business. So you can create so you can add a business name according which business you are using. So let's say I will use the so you can the so you can add according to your need. So here is the company email address and phone number. So all are these dummy. So you can add bank details info as well. So after you need to update it and your settings will be saved. So then you can add your logo. Here you can add your logo, add logo and add signature. Simply click here and choose photos which you want to add, and then signature. You can add signature from photo and you can add signature at this application as well. So then you need to update again. So in this way your business name and address, everything will be updated. So after you need to create an quotation. So I will click on make quotation. So you can create quotation according to your date, which date you want. You can add next date or previous date too. So today is 30 August. So you can create 14 August, 17 August, and you can create 4th September as well. So let's say I will add 4th September, and then you need to customer name. So your all customer name will be displayed here. So if you created already customer name, so in this way I will add new customer, and I will add Zuhaib Hassan. Okay, and then you need to add his email address and then his mobile number and everything. So you need to update, add it. So my name has been added. So then you need to click here and know your customer name is under the customer section, and then you need to create product, which product you wanna create quotation. So you can add product that you created in previous. So simply click, let's say I will add TV holder, and now you can change his quantity, 1 quantity, 2 quantity, and pricing and text and description as well. So this all things, if you need, must add. If you do not need, don't add. Add quotation, add to quotation. And now my one product has been created. So I will create another from scratch. So add product, then a product name. Let's say I will add mobile. Hypothetically I will say mobile. So its price is 2000, and you can select and you can add a unit of measure. So I will add, no need to further add, and this product has been added as well. So here you can say this product is showing here, and you can add to quotation, and now your mobile product has been added as well. So you can add other charges if you wanna charge from customer. So you can charge, you can write 150. So if it is payable, then you can enter payable amount. Let's say I will say 5% tax. So in this case I will no need to add. So save, and after you can add terms and conditions. So usually I add only two terms. First, I will work will be finished 4 to 6 working days, and 50% on, 50% mid, and 50% finishing work. So now your quotation almost ready. So now I will click on generate. So here it is. Now your applic so now your quotation has been generated. So you can see, so here is my company name. So I that is just for testing. So customer name, and here is the total pricing, other charges. Okay, and here is the term and conditions. So just in this way you can create professional quotation. So how you will deliver to customer, and just take screenshot and then crop it. So I will crop it, and now my quotation has been successfully created. So now you can send to your customer. Make sure convert into PDF if you want more professional. So you can create image to PDF online very easily. So here is the tutorial. So I hope you got it, your all questions. So if you need any other video, so let us in the comment section. Thanks.